In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in Microsoft Teams and what to do if it is missing. If you've been expecting to use Copilot in Teams but you can't find it, don't worry. In many cases, the issue comes down to licensing, admin, settings, or simply needing an update. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can check each part and get things working as smoothly as possible. First, check your license, open your web browser, go to your Microsoft account page, and confirm that you have an active Microsoft 365 Copilot license assigned to your account. This is an important starting point because Copilot will not appear in Teams unless the proper license is already connected to your account. If the license is missing or inactive, the feature may stay unavailable no matter what else you try. Next, if you do have the correct license but still don't see Copilot, the next step is to contact your IT administrator. In many organizations, access to Copilot also depends on company level settings. Your IT admin may need to enable the Copilot integration from the Microsoft Teams Admin Center before it becomes visible to users. So even if your account is licensed correctly, the feature might still be hidden until that organizational setting is turned on. After that, update Microsoft Teams. Open the Teams desktop app, click on the three dots near your profile picture in the top right corner, and choose Check for Updates. Running the latest version of Teams is important because newer features, including Copilot, may not appear correctly on older versions of the app. Give Teams a moment to search for and install any available updates. Once the update is complete, restart the application. Fully close Microsoft Teams by right-clicking its icon in your system tray and selecting Quit. Then open the app again. This helps refresh the application and ensures any license changes, admin settings, or updates are properly applied. Finally, look for the Copilot icon. Start a meeting, chat, or call, and you should now see the Copilot button ready to use. If everything has been set up correctly, this is where the feature should appear. That's the full process. By checking your license, confirming admin access, updating Teams, and restarting the app, you can usually solve the problem quickly. That is all for today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.